All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do when we draw the picture is do the eyebrow shape. Then we're gonna go to our eye shape. We're gonna put the folds over the top of the eye. And then we're going to thicken the eyebrow shape and add some dimension to the bottom of the eye and add the eyeball. Now we'll do our nose shape. Add the bridge of the nose. And then we'll put our glasses. He has aviators, so I use a teardrop shape for both lenses. Now we'll go with our mouth shape by adding that little crook to the side of the mouth and going all the way around. Adding our teeth shape in. The bottom of the teeth shape. And then we will add our bottom lip. Here we're putting in our beard shape. Our mustache shape. Now we're going to go around the bottom of the face and kind of squiggle in our beard. Draw some light lines in the glasses to accentuate jawline. And then we're going to begin finishing our hair around the jawline. Now we're going to add our forehead shape. We're going to add our outside shape to that shape, being careful to follow the natural curvature of the head. Then we'll add our ear shape here. The arms to the glasses. And then any contour lines that we need in the face and the neck shape. Now we're putting in our shoulders. Now I'm designing the jacket with the different, I think this is Gucci, so that's what we're putting on the jacket here. Now we're going to add our gum line, darkening the eyes, the eyebrows, and start to finish off our beard shape. Just carefully darken around that area. You don't have to get it all the way perfect. A lot of caricature is about impressionism, so you just want to give the idea of something and not try to draw it verbatim. I'm going to add some little squiggly hairs on the outside just to give it a little bit of a 3D effect. And now let's do our hair with a quick squiggly line here. I just go around the top of the head and I just kind of use a gradient type of a shade to make it look like the natural fade. Now I'm just finishing up with some little details on the glasses. Putting those little things on the glasses that are important. Smile lines and reflections in my glasses. You can use a little thin marker for that. All right, now we're shading with a gray marker. We're going to color in the top of our aviators. Just do a little squiggly line all the way down, not all the way, but halfway. The lips. We'll also do some around the profile of the face and underneath the chin. I'll go ahead and color in the hair just a little bit, just to add a little bit more to the contour line. And just under the glasses here to make it look like the glasses are protruding from the face. I like that touch. Now we're adding a little darkness more to the beard. This is a regular black marker versus the Crayola that we started with. And then we're just going to put the Money Team here. I believe that's the name of his team. You can get a full glance at the jacket here from that angle. I'm sorry I didn't have that all the way up there when we were doing it earlier. Don't forget to sign your work. And then here we're just going to throw a quick frame. I hope that you enjoyed the video tutorial. I'll be posting up more videos and tutorials soon. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you would like to check out our Patreon page for more exclusive content, you can check that out as well. Again, thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed and awesome day. And I hope that I get to draw again with you in the near future. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.